Alright people, what is going on? My name is Nathan, welcome to my channel. As everyone knows the saying, new year, new me. So, I've decided to try and record a video very off of the hinges, very off of, just out of nowhere, just literally tying up my shoes. I was like, I'm going to record a video. The amount of times I have done this type of intro right here, and it's never made it to YouTube as many times, but it's a new year, and I'm really gonna try and upload something. I just need to get into the spirit of uploading, and then it's just gonna be, I'm just gonna be churning them out. So, anyway, I'm going to the gym, and I'm going to try and record some stuff whilst I'm there, and then just like my day in general. As you can see, I'm just cruising around the apartment right now. My last video was an apartment tour. Me and my girlfriend were playing Monopoly last night, and as you can see, I had some hotels on the Monopoly board, destroying her, as usual. What I'm going to do now is go to the gym. This is the first time I'm going to the gym in God knows how long, but got my trusty headphones here, and we are actually going to try and get into some sick shape, like I was at, like this time last year. I was in sick shape, so I'm going to try and get into that type of shape again. Anyway, if you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and comment. I'm actually going to brush my teeth with you guys. I'm going to brush my teeth here. I'm a bit of a smelly stinker. Oh, look at her doing nothing, like a little scoundrel.
Leave me alone.
Little scoundrel. So, yeah, just doing nothing. Anyway, let's see if I can set you guys up somewhere nice. Perhaps here will do. Can we set you up lovely like that? Hold on. Boom. Oh, look at the bathroom tiles, they look sick. This is some good stuff. You see these clean puppies? I don't know if they're looking that clean in the camera, but they are gonna be nice and white if they don't already look white. They look quite white, but if they don't in the camera, they're gonna be looking next level white. Look at that. Did you just fart?
No. I'm
Crikey, Mum!
Oh. No, because I get people calling me a man again, stop.
I'm not editing that out.
So please edit it out.
Say morning, Phil.
Say morning to Phil.
She's been calling him Phil. She doesn't get many big ones, but the big ones are called Phils, isn't they?
Yeah, and the little one's called Spencer's.
The rest of your skin's looking good though.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow, what an entertaining vlog. Hey?
Please can you edit that out?
No.
Why?
I mean, of course. I'm gonna have you done for abuse. You don't use my toothpaste, do you, though?
I bought it here.
Exactly, you don't use someone else's Christmas present.
Well, I'm not good at it.
No. None of that language on my YouTube channel, please.
Well, you shouldn't allow beasts like me on your channel then.
Crikey, bum. I reckon I brushed my teeth long enough now. Hold this, and hold it like that.
Oh my god. Okay.
Like that, hold it, and follow me. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Here we go. Oh, I love this. Now.
Because you wanted to see that.
How good did my breath smell yesterday? Be honest, how sick did my breath smell? Also, look at the crispy fade, look at that. Oh, look at the gradients. Mouthwash. Boom. Mouthwash. Get a bit of this in there like that. People, I know you all smell at home. Yeah, I know you're all sitting there in your dressing gown. Yeah, looking like you stink. So I'm showing you how to brush your teeth because I know you haven't done it for a long time. So you get some mouthwash and
Shot like tequila. Just don't swallow it. Is that good?
Yeah. Hold on. Breath test, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on. Breath test.
Breath test.
That smell good?
Pure ass.
Pure what?
No.
Alright people, I'm going to the gym. Alright, hi people, I am back. Last time you saw me, I said I was going to the gym. But it was pretty busy in there, so I didn't record myself at the gym. So I've left the gym, and it was very average. But you know, just getting into it, warming up again. I haven't gone to the gym for about a month and a half, but just kind of done a bit of everything. Anyway, I left the gym, and now I am in Costa with my girlfriend. And we are having a little beverageino. I've gone for an oat latte because I don't drink normal milk anymore. Long story, but if I make the long story short, it's because I think it gives me spots, so I don't do that. And Baba, what have you got?
Hot chocolate with
Talk about that so they can hear you.
hot chocolate with cream and marshmallows.
Hot chocolate with cream and marshmallows, courtesy of moi. So yeah, we're just chilling here, it's quite nice, and teeth are gleaming. But once we have done here, we are going to do some food shopping, which is super fun. But this is a bank holiday, so we're really just chilling today. But gym was fun, but there are some worries. We have been out for New Year's and people are getting ill. So we're going to have to do some testing when we get home. So that'll be interesting, that'll be climatic. I might put some climatic music in there. I did have dreams of doing a montage in the gym with like some Pop Smoke music in the background, but it was too busy and I felt embarrassed, so yeah, that didn't happen. You and me are very close right now, but that's it really. We are going to go to the shops and do some shopping soon, and I will bring you along with that. And yeah. Oh yeah. So 15 minutes later, that is the trolley, and I've took a guess that it will cost us an approximate amount of £60. How much are you saying? In fact, I'm going to source up £62.80. How much are you saying?
Definitely counting.
Ivan, how much are you saying?
$65.90.
She said 65.90, being the little scrub she is, just trying to take me by a couple quid. So we're going to see. So we're going to see how much it costs. I'll probably be right. We're minusing this, by the way. I'm talking about with not that included.
Oh, okay. Let me tell people wait.
My little lunchbox. Anyway, let's see how much it costs. £62.80. She said 65. Alright people, we are back from the shops and we are about to find out who was closer. I'm going to turn this kettle off quickly. In fact, just leave it in the fridge. So, I said we were disqualifying one item. Alright, now this is very important. Alright, if you remember in the last clip, I was disqualifying like a lunch thing, just because that's mine, it's not for us. So I said 62 something. I think I said 62.40 or 62.80 or something like that. The total was 63.88. It was 63.88, and with the fact that the lunchbox was £6, that means I am closest by technicality. So Baba Cameron lost on technicality. How did that make you feel that you lost?
I lost on what?
You lost on technicality, you stink. Silly goose. Silly goose.
I'm not making eating your dinner.
I'm sorry.
Give me a kiss. I love you.
I love you. It's a trade-off I cannot lose. Anyway, I'm going now because I'm home and I need to edit this video and upload it before I don't end up doing anything with it. But just to round up it, what we are doing is I'm going to finish playing Monopoly. I'm probably going to play some Xbox. And oh, we still got our Christmas tree up. Love that. But yeah, that is going to be the evening. Thank you for watching, people. If this video was not super terrible, make sure to give it a like, subscribe and comment. I know it was super riveting and you know, yeah, very riveting stuff really, this video. When it comes to top content, I'm your man.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, yeah, Happy New Year, and thank you for watching. Until next time, hopefully I upload soon. Call me a smelly pig if you've watched the end of this video. Say you're a smelly pig and you need to upload again, Nathan. Anyway, I'm going. Thank you for watching. Bye!